Hey guys, Civics Boy here, and today I'm going to be going over just some of the parts that we're going to be using for the next build. It's probably going to be a long series because we're not going to be getting the parts in all at one time. We just got a few right now that I'm going to show you really quick. The first thing I want to show you is, remember the motherboard I ended up not going to use. I ended up selling to my friend, and he's actually going to be using the Asus Maximus 3 formula motherboard that I'm not going to be using. Here it is. I actually put it back in the box and whatnot. So he's actually going to be using this. I'm not sure what CPU he's going to use. Maybe an i7 860. I hope he doesn't go for the i5s. I tried telling him that he might want to go for the 1366 i7s versus the 1156 sockets, but he, I guess, was trying to save money for his video card that's going to be coming out hopefully soon, crossing our fingers, in April. So he's going to be using the Asus Maximus 3. Along with that, he's going to be using the NZXT Sentry LX fan controller. Not going to be doing any box openings of these because you can always find them on here on YouTube. There's plenty of box openings of these, of the fan controller, plenty of box openings of the Asus Maximus. So those are the other two parts. The reason why I'm going to show you this is because what he's planning on doing, we're going to go ahead and sand this down, and we're going to actually spray paint it blacks so there's nothing showing over here. So that's why I'm showing you this. It's just a regular DVD-ROM. So we're going to go ahead and paint that. And another thing that he's also going to be using, which is broken down, but it's going to be the HAF 922 case by Cooler Master. I have it broken down and it's already out, getting custom powder coated at a local shop here in Las Vegas. So I'll go ahead and talk to you more about that. Maybe we'll head over there once the case is finished and we can show you the shop and whatnot. So I haven't gotten permission to say their name yet, so I'm not gonna tell you who they are. But the HAF 922 case, we're gonna go ahead and also sleeve all of these cables with the exception of the SATA cable, which I don't think he's gonna be using, so we'll probably either remove it or hide it somewhere. But I already got the front panel sleeved. We're gonna go ahead and try to sleeve the audio and USB cables so that they're all black. And this is actually for the front fan, red LED fan. It actually connects to this button right there, which is the fan LED on and off switch. So that's actually what that is right there. We'll probably won't sleeve this. We'll probably just hide it somewhere in the front because you're not going to be seeing it at all anyways. So that's the top part of the bezel of the HAF 922. As you can see, there's a USB, audio, microphone jacks, and eSATA. And these right here, these are the drive bay locking mechanisms. I think he wants to paint this too. I'm not sure what he wants to paint it. He did mention red, but I'm not sure what color. He's going to be keeping the red LEDs and maybe adding some of his own. So I'm not sure what he wants to do with these. He still hasn't made up his mind about it yet, so what he wants to do. But if we do paint it, this is the primer we're going to be using. This is by Rust-Oleum. It's a primer, self-etching primer, mainly used on automotive parts like engine blocks and whatnot when you paint them. So this is actually really good. I've used this before on metal. It works really well, and it even has that right there to make spraying a whole lot easier. So that's the primer we're going to be using if we do paint any of the plastic parts. And let me see if I'm forgetting anything. No, that's pretty much it for now. So go ahead and stay tuned for more videos on this build. This is going to be part 1. I don't know how many parts we're going to have. So the next video of this, I'm going to be showing you the powder coated finished product of the HAF 922. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Civics Boy out.